Being in nature truly brings so much joy.
Oh my God. Ooh, we getting closer. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is absolutely gorgeous. We can tell we get. Wow. Oh man. Oh. That was amazing. That's funny, y'all. So Daddy keeps finding beans now everywhere, and he said he's thinking about that fairy tale Jack and the Beanstalk. He said he found 3 beans.
Three magical beans.
Now listen, if they grow up to the heavens, then we know that story was real. Y'all know some of these fairy tale stories be speaking without speaking. You know what I'm saying? Those are my adventure babies. Hey, look at the king, y'all. We came back to the beach, family. And look at Rabo, she ready. It's cold though out here, y'all. So we about to just come out here and just kick it for a little bit and chill. Let me let y'all see. About to walk up the sandy hill. And it's real pretty. It's cold though. I got my blanket, y'all. So we gonna see how we do out here. Cause I'm absolutely cold, family. So, alright y'all, we'll check y'all in a bit. But it's beautiful. Yeah, this is really nice. So we're gonna enjoy and just hang out here at the beach for a little bit, y'all. And we're gonna catch y'all back up. Family, this is so pretty. We have found another beautiful area. Just is so pretty. And this is so nice. It's like an open area, I think it said on the sign. It's like a little trail. But I'm gonna show y'all. We say, honey, go crazy! Go, Daddy, go! Go, Rory, go! Go, Daddy, go! Go, Rory, go! 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 Go, Rory! Yay!
Thank you so much for watching, and for more action, check us out on Outdoors with the Plenties. And feel free to subscribe. Hope to see you there.